bargain hunters! Are you ready to dive into the world of savings and discounts? Looking to save some serious cash? Well, you're in the right place. Click the link below to get your special offer from coupons.com. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on these deals. Now, let's dive into whether coupons.com is actually worth your precious time. So, coupons.com, is it a hero in the coupon world or just another gimmick? Is it a hero in the coupon world or just another gimmick? Let's break it down. First things first, coupons.com is like a digital treasure chest of savings. Imagine having a vault of discounts right at your fingertips. You get coupons for groceries, household items, and even some fashion steals. It's like having a personal shopper who always finds the best deals. But is it all rainbows and discounts? Let's find out. The good stuff coupons.com is super user-friendly. It's designed to make your life easier. Just sign up, browse through categories, and click to add coupons to your list. Easy peasy, no complicated steps, just straightforward savings. Plus, they've got a handy app, so you can coupon on the go. Whether you're at home or out shopping, your discounts are always within reach. No more fumbling with paper coupons at the checkout. Say goodbye to the hassle of clipping and organizing paper coupons. Hallelujah! It's a game changer for anyone who loves to save but hates the mess. But hold up, there's more you need to know. Not all that glitters is gold. Let's talk about the not-so-great aspects. Some coupons are pretty meh, with minimal savings. You might find yourself wondering if it's worth the effort for just a few cents off. And occasionally, you'll find expired coupons still hanging around. Not cool, right? It's frustrating to get excited about a deal only to find out it's no longer valid. But hey, no system is perfect. Now here's the kicker. Despite these minor issues, there's a major perk you need to know about. Coupons.com also offers cashback deals. Yes, you heard me right. Real money back in your pocket. Yes, you heard me right. Cashback deals are a fantastic way to save even more. Real money back in your pocket. It's like getting paid to shop. Just link your store loyalty card or submit receipts. It's simple and straightforward.